Welcome to Krubai Tuition Center. We will see exercise number 6.19 sum. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P and secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to Q, prove that Q into P square minus 1 is equal to 2P. So now we will take this equation. We are going to directly substitute the values and we are going to prove it. That's all. So now take the LHS. Q into P square minus 1. So instead of Q you substitute secant theta plus cosecant theta. P square is sin theta plus cos theta the whole square minus 1. Secant theta plus cosecant theta sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now this is a plus b the whole square. What is the identity? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1 you have. That's cosecant theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You have the identity. Plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. This plus 1 and this minus 1 gets cancelled. You will get secant theta plus cosecant theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. Now, instead of secant theta and cosecant theta, we will write 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta. So secant theta is 1 by cos theta, cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Sin theta cos theta. Now take LCM. Sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. This sin theta cos theta and this sin theta cos theta gets cancelled. You will get 2 into sin theta plus cos theta. So sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P. So you can write equal to 2P, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Ninth sum, second subdivision. If sin theta into 1 plus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, then prove that cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta is equal to 4. So for this sum, we are going to take this equation what is given and we are going to derive at this equation. So that is the hint here. You are going to take this equation and you are going to derive at this equation. Now take this what is given here, sin theta into 1 plus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Now see here, everything here is in cos theta, in terms of cos theta. So we will convert this equation also fully into cos theta. So now instead of sin theta, what we can put? See now, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You have the identity. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin square theta, you can substitute 1 minus cos square theta. So now sin theta is equal to, when the square comes this side, it becomes root of 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin theta, we are going to substitute root of 1 minus cos square theta. Instead of sin square theta, we are going to substitute 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin theta, root of 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus, instead of sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. Now here root is given. This 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 minus cos square theta into 2 minus cos square theta, which is equal to cos square theta. Now because root is given here, we cannot deal with the roots, it will become complicated. So now we will square on both sides. Squaring on both sides. 1 minus cos square theta the whole square, 2 minus cos square theta the whole square is equal to cos power 4 theta. So we are squaring on both sides. This root and this square gets cancelled. You will get 1 minus cos square theta so here a square 2 2s are 4 minus 2ab 2 2s are 4 cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. So this is, here we are using algebraic identity a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will multiply first term with first term and first term with the second term. 4 minus 4 cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta minus plus minus 4 cos square theta minus minus plus 4 cos power 4 theta plus minus minus cos power 6 theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. So this cos power 4 theta here and cos power 4 theta here gets cancelled, because when this comes this side it becomes minus cos power 4 theta, so these two gets cancelled. So now write 4 minus 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos square theta. So here we can write minus 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos square theta as minus 8 cos square theta. These two put together minus 8 cos square theta plus 4 cos power 4 theta minus cos power 6 theta is equal to 0. So now when this 4 comes this side, you will get the answer. Plus 4 theta minus cos power 6 theta is equal to 0. So bring this side. 4 is equal to 8 cos square theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Now see here what they have asked you to prove here. Cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta is equal to 4. Hence prove.